Set in the wooded hills of Hayama, Japan, Green Sandwich House is a renovation of a 1970s timber home rather than a complete replacement. HYAN preserved the existing 271 square meter wooden structure because its columns and beams remained sound while reinforcing the house for seismic safety. This approach allowed the original framework to become the foundation for a new way of living. Inside, the original structure is reorganized into a more open sequence of spaces. A double-height living room forms the heart of the ground floor, connecting the kitchen, pantry, doma, study, and garden. Rather than assigning each area a fixed function, the layout allows cooking, working, relaxing, and hobbies to overlap naturally throughout the day. A distinctive feature is the doma, created by transforming an existing Japanese-style room. The tatami floor was removed and its level adjusted, while an existing closet became a compact nook. Instead of relying heavily on walls, HYAN defines spaces through changes in floor levels, materials, views, and natural light. Large openings also bring the surrounding greenery deeper into the home. The material palette balances preservation with contemporary elements. The existing timber frame remains visible, while the kitchen and wash basin counters use hand-ground, in situ terrazzo. This contrast allows the character of the old structure to remain present while introducing a cleaner modern layer, creating an interior where old and new coexist naturally. What makes Green Sandwich House especially interesting is that HYAN's own architects designed and lived in the renovation, turning it into a real-life exploration of how aging homes can be adapted. Instead of erasing the past, the project combines structural reinforcement, spatial reorganization, and controlled openness to give the existing house a new life. One shaped continuously by light, greenery, seasons, and everyday activities.